Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we have worked with over 4,000 clients with an exceptional 93% repeat buy ratio. Today, I'm going to show you how to give child access to someone on your Amazon account, a feature that lets you safely share access without giving out your main login. Now, let me show you step by step how to do this. First, click on Settings. From panel, select User Permissions, which opens in a new tab. Scroll down and find the section of Add a New User. There, type the email and name of the person you want to give access to. After typing the name and email, you will see a button of Invite. Just click on it. A message confirms the invitation has been sent. Scrolling further, you will see the Open Invitation sections, which shows exactly who you have invited. From here, you can resend or delete the invitation anytime. Once the person accepts, you can manage their permissions right from this page. By default, all the permissions are set to none. You will see four columns. None means no access to anything. View means they can only see the section but can't make any changes. View and edit means they can see and are allowed to make changes to the section. And admin, which gives them full control of that section. You decide what level of control each user gets, section by section. Don't let your Amazon business fail. Contact us today through email, WhatsApp, or any of our social media accounts and write your success story with us.